just about a picture-perfect night on the pitch. North Central on its home turf, taking on that team right down Chicago Ave, Benedictine University. Cards coming in with a 1-2-1 record, but that doesn't tell the full truth. This team could very well be undefeated. Meanwhile, the Eagles coming in 3-2. Sebastian Garcia, the netminder for the Cardinals, he's been stout this season, and the senior getting tested early. The Colombian native taking a dive to his right to stop a shot off the foot of Nick Capitanos. Eagles back in the box threatening the twine, but this time it's John Borzik putting his body between the ball and the goal, and Garcia keeping it from going out of play. Cardinals turn, the throw in coming. A couple of headers later, the ball finds its way into the hands of Antonio Marti Polo. Eagles back on the attack. Capitanos again with the shot through traffic. Garcia puts the brakes on that one. BU just won't go away in the first half. Moments later, Eric Stammer clears some space, but rockets one wide. Still a scoreless match. Offensively, Cardinals continuing to put the ball towards the net, but to no avail. NCC keeps pounding out chances, but still a couple of goose eggs on the board. Great defensive game to this point. But as the saying goes, all good things must come to an end. Stammer setting up Capitanos, and he does the rest. Mailing a lefty letter to the post office, Benedictine taking a 1-0 advantage 17 minutes to go in the first half. Another good opportunity for the Eagles, but this time, the post with the rejection, delivering the Cardinals a big break. Here comes another break for the Cardinals. Senior Chandler Ola getting roughed up just outside the box, and that'll be a free kick. Ola putting it in the perfect spot, but Marty Polo goes top shelf to deny the Cardinals a goal. 1-0 heading to the half. Time to switch sides. Gavin Sanchez getting the feed from Alexis Flores, puts it through the defender's legs, but just can't get enough behind it. Ryan O'Dean now working the sideline. Puts a good ball to the middle of the box, but just a bit too high. The Cardinals just inches off all night. Getting late, Cardinals with good movement. John Kissel trying to find a passing lane, but gets it right back. His shot just wayward. Cardinals can't score, falling to the Eagles in an exciting match from start to finish. 1-0, the final.
I felt like we were doing a great job of putting pressure on the other team. Benedictine's having a great year, and so they were really a tough opponent, and it was a fun game. I mean, we spent so much time near the goal, but not necessarily taking our shot. And in the second half, we started taking our shots a little bit more, but just weren't quite finding that, that final touch. Not hitting the shot exactly the way that we wanted to, but I couldn't be prouder of the way that we played. And I feel like if we're giving that much effort for 90 minutes every game, we're gonna have a great season.
We're a family. We truly are. It's been we've been playing for the last couple months, and we all love each other. It's a great group of guys, and we will fight to the end. We're working in two segments. A lot of times we split practice up into our back line, where we're working on a slide step drop to make sure that we're communicating and keeping everything organized. And then attacking wise, we're working on just set plays and being able to know where the ball's going so that we can stay organized and hopefully start putting some goals in the back of the net.
When you're new, it takes a while to sort of figure out, oh, this is what it looks like. Yeah. And today, I think we finally started to figure out, oh, this is what it looks like, and when we do it right, here's what should happen. Yeah. We didn't get the result, and so that's disappointing. But hopefully we got something really positive out of this, and we'll be better next game.
Character is all about grit. That's what we've said from the beginning of the year. In the last couple of years, we've developed it, and it's just all about doing the right things and no one's watching, making sure that every practice is hard, and even when things don't go right in the game, being able to fix it and turn it around. I think we're going to have a better result this year. I think we're going to turn it around before conference comes, unlike last year. And once we get that confidence going, it's going to be a fun season. Conference is a whole different animal. Once you get to conference, every team in the country is back to 0-0. So that's how we approach it right now in the first half of the season. We're going to try and finish as strong as we can, and then once conference comes, it's on, baby.
They're doing a good job. I mean, it's tough to blend new guys in, and we have a good group. It's always a struggle trying to balance the emotion of the moment and getting up for it and keeping it under control and still thinking. And those guys really do a good job of helping us balance.